Hi guys, I'm Lekha Gupta and today I'm here to talk about one of my favorite looks. In fact, you can call it my signature look, which is the cold eyes with a hint of flush on my cheeks and tinted lips. And I will be creating this easy to wear look with Forest Essentials newly launched beauty collection. Well, this entire collection is pure, it's cruelty free, and it is crafted from fresh, organic, seasonal ingredients. What else do you need? Well, I'm going to start with the Gulab Khas Kajal by Forest Essential. This kajal is richly pigmented and well, it's crafted from natural ingredients. So let's get going. So I'll be showing you a very simple look which can be easily done and under 5 minutes. It's a very simple look. It can be worn at any point in time for a day wear, and I'm also going to be showing you how to convert this entire look into an evening wear. Well, a lot of people believe that kajal makes the eyes look smaller. Well, to my belief, on the contrary, if you wear a kajal correctly, it actually makes your eyes bigger and brighter. So I'm going to start with the black Gulab Khas Kajal, and I'm going to be redefining my eyes in just less than a minute. So I take the kajal and I wear it very close to my lash line. So I'm going to be taking a brush and I'm going to be blending it. And as you can see, it easily blends without much effort. So as you can see, this gives a very soft, gentle, smoky look. And I'm going to be using it as the kajal. I always recommend pulling the kajal line a tad bit below your waterline so that it just looks nicely seamlessly blended in, and always try and lift the eye when you're doing the kajal so that it gives that nice elongated look. Now I'm going to be sharing a little tip with you all. It's very important to make sure that you line your tight line, which is this is your tight line, and it's very important you do that simply because it just brightens up the eye and it also works as an invisible liner. So this just makes your eyes look nice, big, seamless and bright. So let's see how to do it. In case you want to go out in the evening and you want to convert this day look into an evening look, all you have to do is just smoke up the eyelids and give it that nice classic smoky. And I love using my fingers too to remove the excess. Now guys, if you don't want to do it with black and if you feel black makes your eyes or your face look harsh, they also have a beautiful brown, they have a beautiful grey and a cobalt blue. So whichever works for you, you go ahead and you can do the same thing with any color of your choice. Now guys, these are the new generation lip serums and it has organic and natural ingredients. I'm going to be using this shade to add a little flush to my cheeks. It really smells nice. As you can see guys, Forest Essential has beautifully blurred the lines between skincare and makeup with their natural artisanal formulations. Now I'm going to be finishing the look with my favorite lip serum, the Mystery Cardamom. It keeps the lips really supple, smooth and well hydrated. There you go, I'm ready. Just takes 2 products to get this look, and that too, these products are so beautifully crafted. You would love to use it on your face because it's very important to know what you're applying on your face. And the best part is that they smell awesome, so you will be carrying a lingering smell of freshness along with you throughout the day with these products. So in this I'm wearing the blue kajal, the cobalt blue. and I've paired it with the Gulab Jal as my cheek tint and my lip stain. I'd like to show you the swatches of the three other kajals that they have. The one that I'm wearing right now is the cobalt blue. As you can see, it's a beautiful blue. Then we have the brown. And then we have the grey. You can see these colors are extremely pigmented and it can actually be worn as a day look as well as a night look.